the runway. Move that cart now.
All right, I've got the plugs. Let's get this done quickly. That last run was tighter than a drum. Glad to be back on the ground.
The flak was heavy today. Hopefully the ground crew can patch her up by morning.
See, right here. The pressure's dropping faster than a Stuka. If we don't fix this now, we're sitting ducks.
Clear the map.
Get that fuel drum secure, move it. Copy that, almost done here.
Control, this is perimeter check. Individual clear with stamp.
Over. Move it, we're on a schedule.
All units, sandstorm approaching, ETA 0800.
All right, move along.
Patrol 4, report your position. We have incoming at grid 02. Check the fuel line on the main tank.
Yes, sir, and the spark plugs look good.
All right, keep it moving. We've got another landing soon.
Watch the guards by the truck. Almost got it hidden, let's move.
Look at this plug, it's completely fouled. We can't keep this heap running.
All right, let me see it.
The valves are completely seized on cylinder 3. We need to pull it now. Look, the authorization is stamped right here.
The engine almost seized up on me. You call this airworthy? I did the inspection myself, Captain. She's running rich, that's all. Someone tampered with the fuel line.
This engine is busted, and you know it. Someone tampered with the fuel line.
I checked it twice, Captain. It's just the desert grid acting up again.
This crate nearly botted over the target today. The engine sputtered again.
I checked the fuel lines myself, Captain. It's running as good as it can in this dust.
This engine is completely unreliable. I almost went down yesterday.
It's the sand, sir. We do the best we can with the equipment we have.
Just make sure it's ready by morning.
Keep an eye on the gauge. And watch the heat on that pump. Faster, they've spotted us.
It's stuck.
Alert! South perimeter compromised. Guess I'll just polish this spot right here then. Look at this clown, nearly dropped the whole kit. Heard that all the way over there. All right, who ordered the wake-up call?
All patrols, condition red.
Repeat, condition red. Secure the perimeter immediately.
Attention all patrols, Titan Sector Gamma. Repeat, Titan Sector Gamma. I want this perimeter secured now. No unauthorized movement near the fuel depot.
Your manifest lists 20 plugs, Private. I only count 12 here.
We had to use the others this morning, sir. Generator trouble.
Well, at least we know the false bottom is secure.
Nearly gave me a heart attack, you clumsy ox.
What in blazes was that?
Sorry, sir, Butterfingers.
Don't mind him, he thought it was quitting time.
Alert all patrols. We have a confirmed breach at the south perimeter. I want that area secured immediately.
Sorry, lads. Just dropped the joke box. It's empty.
Just testing the acoustics, Sarge. Ha! Loud enough for me.
All units, perimeter breach confirmed. Condition red. I repeat, condition red. Control, this is perimeter guard. Section 4 runway lights are down. I'm investigating.
Timer set! Move out! We're exposed here.
All units, maintain vigilance. Bogey sighted near the east hangar. Over.
Get those planes moving now!
Hey, you!
Stop right there! Let go! Get that fire out now!
Move, 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 move!
Check the perimeter! Audio is characterized by a loud and chaotic soundscape. There are sounds of...
What in blazes?
Everyone, get down, take cover. Look out, she's going down!
Get clear of the wheel!
The rim's completely shot. Move, move, secure the perimeter. Over here, I've got him. Drop it now.
Target destroyed. All units, perimeter breach.
Move to the munitions depot, double time. Get those weapons ready. Take cover by the revetments. Sound the alarm.
Vector 09er, bandits at 5 miles.
Go, go, move! Watch the fuel truck! What in blazes was that? Incoming! Get down! Halt! Who are you? Get off me! Intruders! Sound the alarm! Get those planes fueled now. We have to move. Hurry, get to the Jeep! I'm almost there, watch out. Stop right there, you two. Let's move, keep it steady. Hey! You there! Help!
What is happening?
All sorties are scrubbed. We have a major fire at the dump. Acknowledge. Task complete! We're turning back! Clear the area! Everybody clear the runway! Secure the perimeter. Watch the sky. Keep moving. Get behind cover.
We're moving into the Wadi now. One man down. Require immediate extraction at checkpoint Gamma. Task complete. Bogies at 2 o'clock high.
Repeat, 2 o'clock high. Out!
Task complete.
Move it! Get those supplies, clear the truck now. Watch the perimeter. Sorties are a no-go. Repeat, abort. Go to ground now. All right, move those crates now. Let's go. Keep it moving.
Perimeter secure. Approaching flare point.
All quiet. Over.
Task complete. Flares up. Everybody to the reviments. Get down.
picking up today.
Yeah, I hope we're not grounded long. Long as the engines hold up. Blast it! Hold that steady, will you? We're running out of time here. Get that tarp over it! The intake is already clogged with sand. We're losing power.
Blasted thing won't tighten.
Come on, you piece of junk! No time to defuel to him! Why were you near the fuel depot? I already told you. I am the ground crew.
This dust is thick enough to chew. When's the next rotation?
Not soon enough. I heard the Scorpions singing again last night.
We're down to 300 gallons, sir.
And half the squadron is still grounded. Morale is fractured. Where did you hide the detonators? Tell me now! I don't know what you're talking about, sir.
Looks like this dust won't let up.
We still roll out at 0600, Lieutenant. The Axis won't wait for clear skies. Blast this bloody engine! Why won't it seat? When's the next supply run due in? We're almost out of coffee.